Hello, good morning. This is Devraj. It's 7:30 a.m. Central, and still there is no sunlight. It is all cloudy today, expecting heavy downpour, rainfall. And I want to show you a rabbit. Look, this rabbit is sleeping. It's not moving at all. Let's see, I can walk a little bit closer, but not so much. I'm gonna walk this side. Just don't want to bother the rabbit. I think it's all sleeping. Okay, all right. Today I want to talk about. I don't know. I was thinking about talking something and I forgot. Um, Sometimes it's hard to um, be in touch with everyone. It's not that we are avoiding them. It's just really hard because we are so much focused on what we have, and we don't have enough time to spend with everyone else. And I see this as you are running a race and then you are competing with someone, or even you want to sustain on the track, so you cannot involve in everything